Once upon a time, in a small and crowded city, there lived a young boy named Amir. Amir was not born into a rich family. His parents worked hard every day just to provide enough food for the family. Sometimes it wasn't even enough. As a child, Amir often saw his parents come home tired, but they never complained. They just kept going, and that left a deep impression on him. From a young age, Amir had a dream. He didn't want to live the same life forever. He wanted to change his future. He wanted to help his family. But the problem was, he didn't know how. At school, Amir was not the smartest student. He struggled to understand lessons. He didn't have access to expensive books or private teachers. Sometimes he felt left behind. He saw other students doing better, faster, easier, and there were moments when he doubted himself. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe success is not for someone like me. But deep inside, there was something that didn't want to give up. One day, something small changed his life. Amir found an old book in his school library. It was not new. The pages were worn out, but the title caught his attention. Successful people think differently. He opened it and started reading. That day, he learned something simple. Successful people are not always the smartest. They are the most consistent. That sentence stayed in his mind for a long time. From that day on, Amir made a decision. He would stop waiting for perfect conditions. He would start with what he had. He began studying every day. Not for hours, not perfectly, just consistently. He didn't understand everything, but he kept trying. At night, while others were resting, Amir reviewed his lessons. Sometimes he felt sleepy. Sometimes he felt frustrated. But he remembered his parents, and he continued. Months passed, then years. Nothing magical happened overnight. There was no sudden success, no instant results. But slowly, Amir started to improve. He understood lessons better. He became more confident. He stopped comparing himself to others and started focusing on his own progress. One day, his teacher noticed something. Amir, she said, you've changed. What happened? Amir smiled and replied, I didn't change everything. I just didn't stop. Years later, Amir graduated, not as the best student, but as one of the most hardworking. After graduation, life was still not easy. He faced rejection. Many times, he applied for jobs and got rejected again and again and again. Each rejection hurt, But it didn't stop him. Instead of giving up, Amir learned new skills. He used free resources. He practiced every day, even when no one was watching. Finally, one day, he got an opportunity. A small one, but he took it seriously. He worked harder than anyone else. He learned faster. He gave his best. Years passed again, and slowly, that small opportunity turned into something bigger. Amir eventually built a successful career. He was no longer the boy who doubted himself. He became someone others looked up to. But the most important thing was not his success, it was his journey. One day, someone asked him, "What is your secret?" Amir smiled and said, "I didn't have a perfect start. I didn't have a special talent. But I had one thing. I didn't quit." He continued, "Success is not about being the best. It is about showing up every day, even when it is hard, even when you feel like stopping." And that is what made the difference. So if you're watching this and you feel like you are behind and you feel like you are not good enough, remember Amir's story. You don't need to start big. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have everything. You just need to start and keep going. Because one day your small efforts will become your big success. The moral value or moral message of this story is success is not about talent or luck, but about consistency and never giving up. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.